In today's video, I am gonna play Geometry Dash. You're tapping OK, you accept the terms to use and confirm that you are okay. I will perfectly pick this. I know what is this? Okay. Let's start with Stereo Madness, of course. Low A. My god. Like this is easy. This is easy and I died. Why am I basically lagged? Oh my god. Okay. There will be a stake at the end. Yeah, I knew it. There we go. Oh, look at that coin. Now the hard part, which is easy to. Oh no. Oh my god. Okay. I'm a lucky. Oh. The real Geometry Dash hack is gonna let you you're gonna buy it, like you're gonna buy it. And this is Geometry Dash Lite when you can just play for free. Not like the original Geometry Dash. Yeah. It's a waste of money though. I don't like it if I buy that. Like the original Minecraft, like Mojang created. Oh. Whoa! I like say that it is easy, but when you play it, I know this practice mode. I haven't oh my god. I haven't played Geometry Dash since like 1 month. Yeah. I know the tower thing and the other rewards. I love like playing this when I don't have load. Bro, why am I lag? Why am I always lag? This wasn't Geometry Dash Lite wasn't supposed to be lag. Wee. Am I doing it? Am I doing it? Am I doing it? Oh my god. Ooh. No. Okay, now Geometry Dash. You have two options. If I die next time, wait. If I die again in this game, I have to throw my phone. But if I win, I will cut the video. Okay, I'm lying. I won't cut the video because it's only 2 minutes in the video. Or blah blah. Okay, okay. You know it, Geometry Dash. Why is it? Did it suddenly became into not layag? That's weird. Now guys, I have to lock in. I don't want to throw my phone away. That's just the option. You know it, guys. Okay. I hate you. Okay. I don't care. I have a way of getting about this. And you know who's hiding? Yeah. Great, just what I needed. Another visitor to my prison. Must be my lucky day or yours. I don't really have days anymore. I wasn't always like this, you know. I used to be something like that. Now instead I get to listen to you. What a treat. Go on or don't. Not like I can stop you.
Why are you here?
Don't find it, guys. Didn't you realize it's a video game? But no, I lost what spelling is the what the fuck? Never mind. F you. Fuck you. Okay. Hello. Hello? Did I do something to you? Oh my god. There. Well, that was fast. Bro. My god. My god. Ito na naman with it. Oh my god. What? Damn. Uy. Yep, yep, yep. Uy. Ooh, almost. Uy. Yaka blah 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 blah. It means I see you guys. See. Now get me out. Hello there, bud. What you doing? You gonna kill me? Well, there's no. Ah! Ooh, thank you. Now let's speed run. Okay, speed run. Bro, it's wasting my time. Okay. Okay, oh my god. Ooh, I'm speed running. Bro, please. Oh my god, it's only 43. Oh my, you might be fast. I don't want to hear you. I see you. Bro, please, you're wasting my time. Oh my god, that's okay. Okay, where did I just say 58? Okay, 58. Damn. Luckily, it's not 6-7. Don't mind it, guys. Okay. Ooh, just what I needed. Now go back to where I belong. Now where is it? I love this so much. No. Wow. No. Okay. Now I want to try something. Yeah. I love this one. I really need to delete some apps, but I know. Oh my god. Okay, so that time jump scared me. How many orbs do I have? Okay. Ooh, do you want? You can't scare me. I'm not scared of you. Can you stop? No. Your annoying face can't stop with the poking. No. You are getting on my nerves. Yeah, get to ya, get to ya. I'm warning you. Not gonna stop. No. It's best that I won't stop. Yeah. Be angry. I feel strange. You look. I think an 8-year-old made this, guys. I think. I just. You dare touch a god. You will regret your actions here today. I have big things planned for you, player. Now, be gone. Bye-bye. Now I should have a gift. Hey, welcome back. Sorry, I think I fell asleep. You didn't fall asleep. Oh, so you were just sleeping. Why are you? Yeah, who's Zulgur? Who? I really need to check on that thing. This. Oh wow, I used to, oh. I thought it was a color. Lol. What is it? Yeah. His head. But I like this color. So any games to play? Even weekly quest bonus future paths make. What? This is not better enough for I know. Oh, I already have many jewels. Complete 5 insane difficulty. Complete 10 insane difficulty. Oh. Bro. Are you kidding me? Beyond sanity. Bro, it wants me to play something that is difficult. Royale, no. Based after based. Can't play for jump scare. I thought it was jump scare. Let's go the end of it. Yeah. Guys, this one is really hard. Oh my god. What? I really just jumped. Oh, why can't I jump? Oh! Oh! It looks like the song looks like an exercise. Oh my god, 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 oh my god. No! Okay, I'm gonna be right back because I am gonna clean my storage. Bro. I am now back, guys. Hope it will now not be laggy. Finally, I can play peacefully. What? Bro. I should end this record soon because I don't know. my storage will be now be so annoying. Oh my god, oh my god. My first is you. No, I won't buy some because my goal is to buy this thing, the 1000 blue thing. Wait, I am gonna delete this app because need refresh because I will download my Ibis Paint back. Bye. Okay. Bye bye guys. See you in the next video.